Here's the wires we need. The white, the red, and black that come from the compressor. The brown wire from the soft start goes to this black wire. I'll hook it in here in a minute. The red one plugs in to where that black one is plugged in. This blue one is connected to this white one, and we unplug the white one. The black one goes in where the white one from the compressor hooks into, right here. These two hook together. The blue one from the soft start to the white one in the compressor. The black one from the compressor hooks to the brown one on the soft start, and the red plugs in to where into the terminal block where the black one is now. Go, we got them all plugged in. Now all we got to do is run them. Now all we got to do is put it back together. There it is, all in, nice and neat. Let's put the lid on it now.